Welcome to our video on fire safety. The purpose of this video is to provide you with an understanding of what to do in a fire emergency. The best way to prepare for emergencies is by taking the time to read the emergency procedures and evacuation plans for your area. Be sure you know the route and location of all the available emergency assembly points, which are posted throughout the facility. Emergency exit routes and doorways are clearly labeled. Be aware of the firefighting equipment in your area. The areas adjacent to the firefighting equipment must be kept free of obstructions at all times. All emergency exits and pathways must also be kept clear of obstacles at all times. Another important step to fire emergency preparedness is to take part in fire drills. Take fire drills seriously, and use them as an opportunity to practice evacuations. Fire drills will show you what to listen for, how to get out, and where to go once you have exited the facility. Upon any evidence of a fire, including seeing or smelling smoke, remember the acronym RACE. The R in RACE is for react. Alert anyone in immediate danger, but never put yourself in danger. A is for alarm. Warn everyone in your vicinity and activate fire alarm. If you are safe, call the fire department to provide more details about the fire and location. The C in RACE is for confine. If it's safe to do so, confine the spread of smoke and fire by closing doors. If in a smoke-filled area, stay low. Last, the E in RACE stands for two words: extinguish or evacuate. If you are trained, the fire is small, or it is blocking your only escape, use a fire extinguisher to control the fire. Remember to maintain a clear escape route at all times if possible. If you have not been trained on proper fire extinguisher use, or if the fire has continued to grow after one extinguishing attempt, immediately evacuate the facility. Remain calm when evacuating. Do not collect your belongings before exiting. Do not use elevators during evacuations. When going down stairways, hold onto the handrail and do not run. If you are behind a closed door on the interior of the facility, check its temperature before opening it. Use the back of your hand to feel the door to check for heat. If it feels cool, brace your shoulder against the door and open it carefully. Slam the door shut if heat or smoke rush in and head to another exit point. If your clothing catches fire, remember stop, drop, and roll. Once outside, head to the designated assembly point for the facility. You are not allowed to re-enter the building after evacuating. Remember, get out and stay out. Stay at the emergency assembly area unless otherwise instructed by emergency personnel. Do not smoke. The evacuation may be due to a gas leak. Follow facility accountability procedures and immediately alert the emergency personnel if a colleague is missing. Fires are scary situations and acting fast is critical. Familiarizing yourself with the emergency procedures and evacuation routes in the facility before an emergency occurs will prepare you to get out quickly and safely. Safety depends on all of us. If you see any hazards that could cause a fire or prevent safe evacuation, report them immediately. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and learn about fire safety. Remember, talk to your supervisor if you have any questions related to evacuation procedures for your facility.